I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be find myself it again. It's always a phase, I wanted to stay. No, you don't understand. I've been losing myself.
Okay everybody, we need to be getting moving soon, so just want to let you know today's track's going to have a mix of easy stuff and there's plenty of hard tracks off to the left, right, here and there. Most of those just branch back on very easily and short, so any guys that want to try those tracks, jump on them. We will be on channel 12, so we'll let you know when those tracks are coming up so you can branch off them. Anyone wants to stop and get some photos, do all that sort of stuff, use those opportunities as well. Anyone's going to do anything really stupid, make sure someone's filming it. We don't want it to be a mess. I don't know if there's any people without recovery gear. The tracks will be a little bit slippery. Just make sure you're between someone that's got gear either side. Some of the tracks are narrow, we mightn't always be able to get vehicles back. It'll keep everyone moving a lot quicker. Luke from No Thanks Mate, I would like to give him a bit of a thanks. He's travelling around his patrol and saw him. I thought I'd give him a bit of our gear. Even though he doesn't own a cruiser, I still thought he would appreciate a stubby cooler. And he actually said to me, I'd like to catch up and do a bit of a wheel, I could grab it off you then. And this is what sort of gave me the idea of, good idea. So something as simple as that is what has made this happen. So thanks, Luke.
Oh!
Hey!
Jeez!
Whoa!
Sorry. Hi mate, I'm Heath. Who are you?
I'm Luke.
Oh Luke, how you going?
Pleased to meet you, mate.
Have you met Luke? Luke's from No Thanks Mate, Insta. Anywhere else? Just Insta?
Oh, and YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, Griffo's Adventures.
There you go. Get amongst it.
Get amongst
It's
it.
still this is my YouTube channel, not yours.
Yeah. Also, any people that aren't experienced in four-wheel driving, if you do get stuck on the track and just get shifted off the side for any of those reasons or anything like that, just stop, get the people around you either side to check, see what's happening, just to make sure. Most people end up in bad situations for trying to get out of something that they could easily have just got more advice and got out of. So just keep that in mind. The tracks were going on, there's no big drop-offs off the edge, anything like that, so no rollovers, all that sort of stuff, but just to avoid getting stuck off the side. Just get some help straight away. Okay, anything else, Katie? Okay, that's it. So yeah, if we're all ready to go.
A few moments later.
Well, that was the crew. What a turnout. Absolutely mad. So, as you can see, we're all taking off now. Hitting the Imbil State Forest. Don't even know how many cars, but wow, that's crazy. So, here we go. After the weather so far, should be good. We've had some bit of rain, but now the sun's out, which is awesome. So let's see how we go.
I don't wanna be caught up inside your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me in. I'm not a monster. Bury your friend. These my regrets.
Get in there, big fella.
The voice in the back of my head. The choices that we can't forget. The poison we take with regret. Rejoice 'cause they haven't found you yet. 'Cause everyone I know.
So we just found a nice little wicked spot for us to pull up, have a bit of morning tea. The rain's finally stopped, so it's actually good timing. By the way, have you guys met Jess? This is Jess. Bobby.
Mate,
Dave, how you going, mate?
this is Jess.
By the way, this is Jess. Maybe, I'm not going to lie, I forgot her name earlier. Whoa! What are you trying to do to me?
Sorry, I didn't see you there.
How's it going so far, big fella?
Yeah, good.
Enjoying it? Yeah. Hold on. Why are you packing up his awning?
He's good, like.
No. Just think of his Insta name. No thanks, mate. Yeah, no pressure, mate.
Yeah, none at all.
You got time lapse on that, don't you? Oh.
You gotta let me in. You gotta let me
How's that, Mid? Is it good? Sweating bullets?
A little bit.
How'd you find it, boys?
Yeah, it was good.
That was good?
Slippery, yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Imbil State Forest, holy cows, guys. So many tracks to choose from. We've had a bit of rain, it's made it a bit sketchy in spots, but there's heaps of easy tracks and there's an absolute shit ton of harder ones. We've been taking it pretty easy today, big crew, so things have been slow going. But yeah, get out here, check it out because it's mad. There's heaps of tracks and it's bloody wicked rainforest. These trees and what the canopy around us is just insane. It's massive. And here's Kate. Hey! Hello, mate.
G'day, mate. How are you?
Good. How's that?
Very slippery.
That was good fun?
Muddy.
I've even got you. Beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm in shot.
Yeah.
In
Look,
focus.
mate, look at that. You are looking good, mate. Looking good. Let's go. How we going, guys?
Yeah, good.
Going good?
Yeah, good day.
So, these are yuppies forward driving. Look at this. Watch the mirrors. Yuppies. Oh, look at me. I'm in my cruiser. Hey, can you hear me now?
Hey Heath. Hey Heath.
Hey guys.
Hey man, would you like me to turn the car off and it does it? Hang on. Ready? No, you got to leave them.
Oh, I see. Rookies. Yeah.
Ready? Now on the car key.
4-wheel drive snobs. How's it going, gang? Going good? You're winning?
That was hell fun. That last
good?
one, bro. Very good. I was 90 degrees coming up that hill. No weight in the back, and she just full crossed up, crabbed up the hill.
Nice. I heard it screaming, and I was like, "This is going to be fun." So it was about time we had something. It's been a bit so far.
I know, right?
So anyway, I'll let you guys go. We'll catch up soon.
Cheers, Heath. See you, bro.
Did you just call me T?
Heath, you wake up.